What's up guys, and welcome to the 16th tutorial of programming in Java using Eclipse. And in this tutorial it's all about if statements. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so the first thing go do is go to the src package, right click that, press new, and then make a class and then name this class test. Also take this off and press finish. Get rid of this garbage, and now type in int x equals 10, close that off. Move on to the next line and type in if x is less than 20. We can now say system out print your value was less than 20. Okay, so we can now run and execute this and see what we get. So save this and run this. So it says your value was less than 20. Okay, alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.